Today I'm going to show you how to connect Claude Code to our Blender MCP. We're going to let Claude completely take the wheel and build a stunning Tesla showcase from scratch. First things first, let's fire up Blender. Once you're in, just hit the N key on your keyboard. Keep in mind, you do need the Blender MCP plugin installed first. Clicking N brings up the panel, and we just click Connect to MCP Server. And boom, it's connected, running on port 9876. Now let's head over to Claude Code. We'll type in our first prompt. Please use your Claude Code MCP to connect to my Blender MCP. It's already up and running. Hit Enter and let Claude do its magic. Next up, we want to build our Tesla. But first, we need to make sure Sketchfab is ready to go. Head over to your Blender panel and check Yes on the Use Assets from Sketchfab checkbox. Now, let's grab that API key. Head over to sketchfab.com and log in. Click your profile icon in the top right, go to Settings, then click Password and API, and copy your API token. Jump back into Blender and paste that token into the Sketchfab API text box. Oh, and here's a super important step you can't skip. After pasting your key, you have to hit Disconnect MCP Server and then connect again to refresh it. This is the secret sauce that refreshes the connection, so the Sketchfab API is officially hooked up. Now let's head over to Claude Code. For this demo, we're using the latest model, Fable 5. Let's select Fable 5 right here. Once that's set, now that that's sorted, I've uploaded 3 photos of a Tesla, showing the front, side, and back. We'll tell Claude. I've uploaded 3 photos of a Tesla, rear, side, and front views. Please use the Sketchfab API to search for a matching Tesla model, and insert it into this scene once you found it. And look at that! A wild Tesla instantly appears right in our Blender viewport. Claude even notices that boring default cube is still there and asks if we want to get rid of it. We say, yes, please, and it's gone. Finally, let's make this look like a real showroom. We'll tell Claude, my Tesla is already in the scene. Since I'm using it for a showcase, can you help me set up a rotation animation? I need it to rotate around the center of the car. And please make sure the rotation stays fully visible within the camera view. Ah, wait, it's spinning counterclockwise. Let's ask Claude to switch it to clockwise instead. And there you go, it works perfectly. How awesome is that? And there you have it. Let's take a look at the final result. This is exactly what I wanted to show you today. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, hit like, subscribe, and turn on the bell so you don't miss the next one. See you. Bye-bye.